Today we're doing the Morning Rose. Right after the Morning Rose recipe, he says, another variation closely similar to the Morning Rose. In fact, I think it is at its best if made exactly according to the Morning Rose formula, merely substituting apricot liquor for the Curaçao. However, the following is the original formula as given to me by Herb Smith of the Spanish Room at the Dashes Hotel in Columbus, Ohio. One of the best bartenders I have ever met since Prohibition repeal. I just love the way this guy writes sometimes. He takes his profession seriously, really studies his liquors, and he really knows them. He takes pride in his work, and in making your drink exactly as you like it. His besetting sin is that personally he likes them a bit on the sweet side, which accounts for the somewhat ladylike and therefore insidious quality of the substitute to the Morning Rose, the Mañana. Pretty funny. David Embury just loves booze, straight up, and you'll see that in this recipe. So we start off with 1 part Curaçao. Then we have 2 parts lemon juice. We're going to do fresh squeezed. 1, 2. Next we have 8 parts of white Cuban rum. 8 parts. I've been using the small end of the jigger here because I knew this 8 parts was coming up. Side note, we might be using a little bit of regular Jamaican rum as well because this is real low. Almost got there. We had 7 shots of regular white rum, and we're going to have 1 shot of the 8, by shots I mean parts, of the regular Appleton Jamaican rum. I think one of the 8 parts is not going to make that huge of a difference. So then you shake this up. Alright, feels pretty shaken. So, it's got Curaçao, it's probably going to be bright blue. I'm going to be splitting this with my wife. So we have 2 drinks. To top it off, you do what's 2 to 3 dashes of grenadine. So I'm just going to do a quick little snip. Kind of going to turn it purple. Looks really pretty. And I have an idea on this that this combination of stuff is going to be better just topped off. Basically this, but I'm going to add ice and seltzer on top. We'll try both on camera, and I think this one's going to be really good with seltzer to the top of this with like probably 3 cubes of ice is what I would guess. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. We'll be back with a taste. It's yard work day, so we're both very yardy. This is the one that's the original recipe, no seltzer. So you try first. I haven't tried it yet.
It tastes like Kool-Aid, as it looks like Kool-Aid.
Oh, snap. That's actually real good. You'll notice after I stirred it, it's a lot more purple. This one has seltzer. It's kind of cool because
it separates, so the blue's on top.
Yeah, there's like some blue in the foam.
Also, very good.
Thoughts?
I mean, it tastes the same, only that one's a little bit more watery.
Yeah, it's not as strong, but it's surprisingly not that strong.
It's really sweet.
But
Kool-Aid.
Probably smart to do it this way because it is a pretty boozy drink on its own. It's like
might get hammered pretty quick.
Yeah. So I would recommend it this way, although the flavor of the other one is probably a little bit more flavorful.
Stronger.
Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Great
Good job, everyone.
Great job.
Have a nice day. And
Garden.
yeah, do that.